Hello guys, welcome to Adventure Unlimited. This is a different episode. This is not a travel episode. We are not going anywhere. We are going to talk about an accessory, a motorcycling accessory today. It's called a tank bag. Yeah, most of you guys who go out for rides, you guys already know about this. This is not something new. But for people who don't know about it, we'll talk a little bit about what this is. So we are going to unpack a new tank bag for you guys, and this is the first time I'm going to open it. This has been lying in my house for the last 10 days. I've not unboxed it just for this episode, right? So what's a tank bag? A tank bag is a bag which you mount on your tank, a motorcycle tank. Okay, and why do you need it? You need it because you can't open your saddlebag or whatever bag you have strapped onto your motorcycle all the time. You need to access something. Easy accessibility. So there are two types of tank bags, broadly classified into magnetic and non-magnetic tank bags. Magnetic ones comes with magnets, which sits perfectly on a metallic tank. And there are strap-on magnet tank bags, which comes only with, straps. You just strap it on to the metal parts, the hooks and stuff on your bike. That's all. I've been planning for a few rides. Unfortunately, I can't go on a ride now. It's a lockdown, unlockdown, lockdown, unlock, down 2.0. Right, but it's a lockdown again in Bengal now. Anyways, so I'm investing on stuff which I would need after the lockdown. Well, I had a few criterias. First of all, it should look good. If it's sitting on my bike, it has to look good, except me, the accessories I mean. They need to look good. You'll see my bike. It's a good looking bike, right? It's a very narrow tank, so it should fit well. It has to be a magnetic tank bag because it's easy to take it off the bike, put it on your shoulders. It should have that feature as well. It has to be compact and designed properly. The material used has to be very good because I'm not going to invest in another tank bag in the very near future. So it has to last long. It definitely has to be waterproof because I'm going to carry all my costly stuff there. For example, my action cameras, my DSLR, maybe if it fits in well, we are going to see that now. So, my purse, my money, my documents, everything is going to be in there. It has to be waterproof. Now, I have a very different bike. It's a RX, and although many people use RX, but I couldn't find much reviews, of tank bags being used on RX, so I'm not very sure. So after investing a lot of time researching in YouTube, I decided to invest in a new tank bag. It's manufactured by a company called Road Gods, and the model is called Zeon R1 magnetic waterproof tank bags. Okay guys, there's a jugaad that has been arranged for you guys. I'm just going to demonstrate how the bag sits on RX 100, RX 135, RXG tank, how it looks and how it fits and how well you can pack it up. Alright, since it's raining every now and then outside, couldn't take the risk of taking things out. Now imagine this as the crown handle, where you have the handle here, handlebar here, you have the T, the crown. So this is the tank, and this is exactly where you have the crown handle of a motorbike. And here goes the Road Gods Zeon. This is the magnetic bag. Magnet 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so you just take it like this. We have the seat from here, so let's place it right in the middle. Man, this is a strong magnet, pretty strong magnet. This is how it sits. You'll have the lid here, the fuel lid here, so it's going to sit on the slid like this. This is the strap you've got, which you're going to tie on to this crown handle. You can just simply tighten it from this strap. And you can simply leave it there. You don't have to take it off every now and then. You can simply leave it there. All you can do is tighten the strap from here. So when you need to fill petrol in the tank, you just unbuckle it here. You don't have to take the bag off. Refill, shut it off, and then put it back on. This is how well it sits. What I loved about this bag is this geometric design. When I fill it up, it's going to look even better. This design is really good. It looks really good. Pretty geometric. This is pretty compact and it doesn't take up the entire space of the bag, the tank. So what we're going to do now is going to fill this bag up with all the things that we might need on the road. So this is my small kit which contains all the action camera stuff. This is what I usually carry. Let's see if it goes in. Goes in really well. Let's see if it can take in a DSLR maybe. Let's try it out. Okay. Let's see. That's easy. You still have a lot of space around. You can carry 2 more lenses easily along with some accessories. It's huge space. It just looks small. Here goes the action camera box. Maybe a small hand towel. I definitely won't be carrying such a huge towel. It's just for the demo purpose. Okay, let's put it up like this. Here goes the action camera. This is a small selfie stick. There's a mobile phone mount. Definitely a sanitizer. This can definitely go in here, or maybe on this side pouch. This will definitely take in another sunglass along with a pair of keys. Okay, a pen, a torch and a Swiss knife. This can go in here. These are the cables. These can go in here. A small cloth for cleaning your bike maybe. You can put in all the documents here. A power bank. Here goes my headlamp if required. I'm just showing you. Smartphone. This can go in here. It actually will go in here. By the way, you can use the touchscreen from the Surface as well. It works really well. I'm going to show you if it works well at all or not. Okay, this can definitely go in here. So lots of space here. This is your rain cover. Absolute must carry. This comes with the bag as I showed you. A lot of space in here. This has to be carried. This comes with the bag. This is the backpack strap. So you can take this off. You can use this buckle, strap it in here. There are buckles there, and you can use it as a backpack or a sling bag whenever you are taking this bag off the tank and when you are going into a dhaba or a restaurant, wherever. Oh man, this space is still empty. I've just filled in this part. This space is still empty. You can put in a lot of stuff in here. Packs in really well. This is impressive. It actually looks small, but it can take in a lot of stuff. Yep, a lot of stuff. This is good. I'm actually happy I bought this. Zip it up. Even the zip is of pretty good quality. It works really smoothly. These are pretty nice, and it has the Road Gods logo here as well. It's pretty smooth, it's pretty nice. These are definitely water resistant zippers. Here is the logo. You have the logo on the sides. This material is pretty tough. Once you have it in your hands, you will know these are pretty nice materials. Good stuff. A very nice sturdy handle. You want to take the bag off the bike, simply unbuckle it here, take it off. Alright, it's lovely. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you how the touchscreen works if you're putting in the phone in this compartment. So here's the phone, and this is how simply I can use it. Yeah, single soft touches. You don't need to put in a lot of effort. It works just fine. So just perfect. Okay guys, so that was the Road Gods Zeon R1 magnetic tank bag with rain cover for you. I purchased this directly from Road Gods website. You can definitely purchase it from Amazon as well. I'll see if I can put up a few still shots with this thing mounted on my motorcycle tank, so you get a fairly good idea how it looks and how it fits, although you have seen everything on the video so far. I'm not very sure if I can take this thing outside. It's still an unpredictable weather. And secondly, I'll try to put in a link, a purchase link from where you can access the website, and you can definitely purchase this beautiful bag at a discounted rate, and hopefully you'll get a free bottle like this as well. This is a pretty nice bottle. If you go to Road Gods website, the last time I checked a few days back, it was quoted at a price of 1,999, but I did get a discounted price. It costed me less than 1,800 rupees. You get pretty good stuff, good quality stuff, along with free goodies, and the delivery was really prompt. The customer service team of Road Gods was prompt enough to respond to all the queries, and they were lovely. It's a good experience. This is not a paid video. I'm a new YouTuber. I really don't have any chances of getting payments for videos, so it's obvious this is not a paid video, right? So motivate me. If you like the video, like it, share it, and please subscribe to my channel if you find the content good enough. Cheers, stay healthy, use sanitizers, wear a mask properly, right? Not just here. And stay healthy. Cheers for now. Bye bye.